How to remove Authenticator on blizzardbattle.net. So if you want to remove the Authenticator on blizzardbattle.net, then first you need to go with search, and you need to search for Blizzard Battle.net and go with www.blizzard.com or battle.net login, which is the same kind of interface. It will take you to the website. Now once you're here, you need to scroll down and you need to go with can't login option. And from can't login, you need to go with remove my authenticator. So click on remove my authenticator and you need to enter your email or your phone number. After entering your email, you can go with continue. Once you click on continue, now it might ask you for choose an option of SMS or email. So you can just simply go with SMS and you can enter your password for the security reasons and your authenticator might be removed. But if it takes you to this kind of interface which says new device or location, then you need to just click on submit a ticket to request an authenticator removal, and you need to go with the characters right here. So enter the captcha, verification captcha, and after that, if you have an authenticator for this account, then you'll be able to remove your authenticator. But in my case, I don't have any authenticator, so it says that you don't have an authenticator on this account. But if you have, then you can follow the steps and you can remove the authenticator. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.